Hello guys! Good morning and welcome back to Mhel's World channel. So today is... Anong araw na ba ngayon? I forgot. But anyway, today is my second day of quarantine and I am so happy. Ayan, bagong ligo ako fresh kasi good mood ako pagising ko. And thank you pala sa pumunta doon sa live birthday ko last night. Super thank you. Na-load na po namin lahat-lahat ng winners. Congratulations. And bukas po, Monday, November 15, ang ating grand raffle. So, wag na wag niyong kakalimutan. I will see you there, okay? So, for now, guys, andito po ako sa aking quarantine room. Nandito lang po ako sa Brisbane, Queensland. So, this hotel, guys, surprise po ito or hindi ko po alam kung saan talaga kami babagsak for the quarantine place. So, wala kaming idea kung saan. But anyway, I am so happy na dito nila ako nilagay sa hotel na to. And comfortable naman yung place. So, happy naman ako. And now, I would like to give you a room tour sa aking 2 weeks quarantine na place para naman malaman nyo kung comfortable ba si Mhel's World during the quarantine. And now, let's start! This is the entrance of my room. And hindi ako pwedeng lumabas dito kasi once na lumabas or inopen ko ito na wala pa yung food, pwede ako magka-penalty or pwedeng maulit yung aking first day of quarantine. So, diba? So, mahigpit talaga sila. Kaya never ko itong i-open kapag wala pang kumakatok. So, once na may kumatok dyan, it means may delivery food po ako. Bibigyan ko sila ng 30 seconds para umalis bago ko yan i-open. And I should wear mask bago ko buksan yung pintuan to get my food. So, anyway, that's the entrance. And now, let's go to... Ayan lang naman yung itsura niya. And so here, ayan, at least meron silang binigay na glass sa akin. Medyo maayos naman. And the freebies, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, and so on. And ayan. I like that glass. And dito naman, so may... I'm not sure. So, because of COVID, wala silang nilagay ng mga utensils. Kasi kailangan gamit is disposable. And ito, at least meron akong little fridge dito. Tanan! So, ayan yung cake natin. Hindi ko pa nagagalaw yung cake. Diyos ko. Help me, guys. I don't know how to eat them all because ang laki-laki kasi niya. So, itatry ko siya umpisang kainin tonight. But we'll see. Ayan. After that one, so, dito naman tayo sa aking bathroom. Ayan. So, ayan yung bathroom, guys. Very simple lang. Maliit lang siya, pero good enough for me. Isa lang naman kasi ako. So, okay lang siya. And, ayan yung kanyang toilet. Ang galing nga eh. Gusto ko yung bathroom kasi medyo malaki talaga siya for me kasi mag-isa lang ako. And yung setup niya, parang ang laki ng space sa gitna, which is I like. Pwede ako mag-TikTok dito. So, ayan, di ba? And dito naman yung shower room. So, ayan naman yung ating shower room. Nakakatuwa naman. Very comfy naman. And ayan, I really like the setup kasi ang linis niya tingnan. Parang ang wide. And ayan. So, may salamin dyan. And mga towels. Parang kumpleto talaga. Meron pa silang blower. And panglinis pag gusto ko maglinis. Which is, I don't need it. Ayan. And this one, guys, ito talaga yung pinaka nakapag-amaze sa akin. From the toilet, if you want a view. Pwede mo lang siyang i-open. And ayan, bed na. Yan na po yan. O, diba? Tapos labas tayo dito. Ayan yung aking luggage. And after that, diretsong room na po. Ayan yung aking bed. King size bed. Ang laki talaga niya. Which is I really like. So, pwede kang umikot-ikot dyan or mag-chorbanes. O, diba? So, ayan. Ganyan lang, guys. Simple lang siya, pero very comfy, I think. What do you think? And of course, ang flower ni Gold's Life. And yung ating listahan ng mga kautangan. Charot. Ayan, I really love this one. Ang bango-bango niya. And ito, oh, nag-start na siya mag-bloom. So, ayan. Thank you, Gold's Life. And yung aking table. Ayan, ang dami kong food kasi nagpadala pa si Gold's Life. Tapos, meron pa silang dinideliver dito na breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, hindi ko talaga siya maubos lahat. So, meron pa ako dito, oh. Tapos, ayan pa. Ang dami. But anyway, let's see. I will try not to eat much kasi nga, baka naman tumaba ako dito sa quarantine. So, ayan lang guys, yung aking simple quarantine room. Ayan, comfortable naman siya. And open natin yung curtain. Ayan yung view ko. Nasa labas lang talaga ako ng airport, guys. So as you can see, may mga airplane doon, oh. Ayan, ang ganda ng araw today. Very sunny. Ayan. So, yan yung train going to the city. Pag natapos na ako ng quarantine ko, pwede kong i-take yan or I will take a taxi. So, the city from here, siguro nasa 20 minutes or 15 minutes kasi wala namang traffic dito sa Australia. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-traffic katulad ng Pilipinas. So, ayan guys, that's my view every day. And nakaka-relax naman siya. Ayan guys, that's all for today and I hope you enjoyed this. I will try to make video ng aking quarantine experience in the next few days para may idea kayo or baka makahelp iyon kung ano yung mga requirements bago kayo pumunta sa Australia. So ayan, thank you again guys and I will see you sa ating grand raffle. Good luck everyone. Bye!